In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Power BI templates. A Power BI template, saved as a .pbii file, captures the structure of your report, pages, visuals, measures, relationships, queries, and formatting, without carrying the underlying data. That makes it perfect for reusing a polished layout across projects, or sharing a consistent reporting style with your team. Start by opening Power BI Desktop and creating a new report. You'll land on a blank canvas. This is where you design the report you want to turn into a template. Add the visuals you expect to reuse: charts, tables, KPIs, slicers, and any navigation elements. Think in terms of placeholders. Even if you're working with sample data, position visuals exactly where you want them, set titles, define measures, and adjust sort order and interactions. Consistent spacing, page size, and a clear color scheme will help your template feel professional and easy to read. Preview each page in full screen or fit to page to make sure nothing is cut off and that labels are legible. Check visual interactions, so selections in one chart filter the others the way you expect. If you rely on tooltips, format them now to provide concise context. Remember, the clearer your layout is, the less guidance users will need when they apply the template to new data. As you build, consider which slicers or filters should be available on every page, and align headers and legends so your users don't have to guess where to look. Rename visuals and fields in the selection and fields panes for clarity, and use descriptive titles so the purpose of each visual is obvious when the template is reused. If you depend on particular calculations, create the DAX measures now so they're embedded in the template. Once you're happy with the design, go to the File menu in the top left corner, choose Export, and then select Power BI Template. You'll be prompted to provide a file name and, in many cases, a short description. Add a helpful note about what the template is for and what data structure it expects, then confirm to save. Power BI will create a PBIT in your chosen location. From now on, anyone can open that template and connect it to a similar dataset. The visuals, pages, and model remain intact, and the report refreshes with the new data, preserving your formatting and logic. That's all there is to it. Open Power BI. Desktop, design the report you want to reuse, and export it as a Power BI template. With one clean file, you can speed up future projects, enforce standards, and keep your reports consistent across the organization.